Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Geneva International Motor Show, Qatar. We are here in Doha taking a look at the all-new Volkswagen Tiguan. So this is the new generation model. It looks amazing. Now let's check it out from the front, where we have the completely new design. You can spot the new lights, very nice design, and also impressive technology. IQ Light HD Matrix, optional thing on this car, amazing technology. Now here we have the glass covered LED bar that connects the lights and emphasizes the width of the car. Model in our video has got the R-line trim, which means you have very sporty bumper with a lot of gloss black elements, but also you see here we have some chrome as well. Moving on to the side, car is longer than the predecessor, around 3 centimeters longer. The R-line trim has got the edges here in gloss black, and also the wheels. These are the 20-inch wheels, so the top of the line wheels with the diamond cut finish and looking very nice as well. Our badge in here, and yeah, well, the wheelbase remains the same as on the predecessor, but the car is longer, as I already mentioned. Moving on to the rear of the car, you have the eye-catching connected taillights with impressive design. Look at this, emphasizing the width of the car, making it unmistakable on the road. Really, you can immediately spot that it's a new Tiguan. The R-line trim, once again, very pronounced bumper at the back as well. So look at this, the gloss black with cool pattern, the chrome line in here, and then some extra gloss black details. 4Motion and Tiguan lettering here, rear view camera, and also spot this gloss black part that also is here connecting the lights as well. The rear spoiler, of course, for maximum efficiency, but also looks very nice and give it a very sporty look, especially in combination with very sporty side skirts, then wheel arches in gloss black, and those both front and rear bumpers. It looks very dynamic indeed. Let me now show you the trunk. Press this electric tailgate on this model, and here we are greeted with a nice square shape. Also, you have additional room here. I think you can fit a spare tire. Also some convenient features here. If you pull this, then the rear seats fold here as well. Then power supply, look at this, as well as the 12-volt outlet in here. Hook for your shopping bag, and in this section you can put a smaller thing so that they don't go all around the car. Same goes for this section, but also here as well. So very practical car indeed. Press this to close the tailgate, and now we are ready to explore the interior, which is all new. And let me come here and show you what I mean by that. So first of all, look at this big screen, 15-inch one, the new steering wheel with physical buttons, digital cockpit, gorgeous seats. You see, these are the special seats, and they have very nice design. Our badge in the middle, the integrated headrest, and blue details throughout the whole seat. On the side you have the ambient lights, and then the standard buttons for the windows and mirrors, and this is nice carpeting here in the door pocket. When you enter the car, you're greeted with the R badge in here, and now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, starting with a wider view, this is the driver's perspective with a beautiful new steering wheel, digital cockpit, main touchscreen, the big 15-inch screen, beautiful ambient lights throughout the dashboard, and the new central console. So let me change the view and show you all the details. Alright then, first thing that I'm really pleased to see is that the buttons, the standard buttons, are back. So big thumb up for that. New digital cockpit, and then the main touchscreen with the new infotainment system, which is very good, very responsive, 15-inch screen, and this is really a big plus from me. Now the dashboard has got lovely materials. Also look at the beautiful ambient lights here. They really look gorgeous. The air vents are located below the screen, and these are illuminated and then you can change the temperature, and here is where you can change the volume. Now here, very cool feature, look at this, the wireless charging pad, 2 USB-C ports. Hazard lights are located in here, the button for them of course. Speaking about buttons, this is a very cool rotary push button. So you see now it is a volume button, but if I push it, now I can change the atmospheres here. So this changes the layout here, the screens, and also the theme of the infotainment system as well. How cool is that? And then you can also see it here, it has its own screen. You can also set the driving profiles here. Look at this, sport, individual, off-road, snow, and then going the other direction, eco and comfort as well. This is a very cool feature, thumb up from me, and I hope this sees also its way to the other new Volkswagen models, as this is very cool and very convenient, very useful. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? Electronic parking brake, start engine button is here, and the central console is redesigned. So you may know that there is no gear selector here because it is moved. It is moved here, drive, neutral, reverse, S and P, so park, you press this. In my opinion, this is easier way to do it, so it's easier to use this one than the standard gear lever, which would be here. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? Now here we have some additional storage room, 12-volt power supply, and also this is divided into sections so you can easily fit different things. And as you can see, you can also move this middle armrest. Time to show you the glove compartment. There we go, decent amount of room here. And now we are ready to explore the infotainment system. So this is the new infotainment system, and it's a very good one. Huge thumb up from me. For example, this is the main menu. Here is where you have everything. If you press this, then you can also configure the home screen, adjust the widgets that you have here in front of you. But look how fast this is. And once again, big thumb up from me, because this is really a big improvement compared to the predecessor. And yeah, well, here you have the car settings. There's also the bright theme for the screen that is available as well. Then the driving modes, driving profile, and the atmospheres. You can do the individual one, and then here you can adjust the DCC, all-wheel drive, steering drive, ACC, light assistance. All of that can be configured here, and then you have the presets for the other modes. The navigation has got a beautiful 3D view of the buildings. This looks very nice. You can also set the bright theme, and yeah, you see the buildings, the attention to detail is just amazing. Driving assist systems, you can then adjust them. The car is packed with technology, and here is where you can adjust and fine-tune all of those systems. You can also have the image view if you prefer it that way. So for example, then you just press this and access the front assist, emergency braking, and then you can configure what you want to be on. I would suggest, of course, keeping all the driver assist systems on, as they make your life and your drive more smooth and safer. And here, radio. Look how impressive this is. Look how fast it is. Really good. Then the air conditioning, assist systems, we just covered that. Settings, off-road, you see the steering angle here, and this place, that is cool. Let's go back. Background lights, and currently controlled by atmospheres, but of course if you go here to the individual, now it is the individual ambient lights. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. You can configure, for example, this in green and then this in blue. Also the settings for the screen in blue. The seats, there's also the massage program. Then you can select the program, and the duration. Press start to start it. Same goes for the passenger. And yeah, well, the sound settings. And if we press parking, you can see the views. The boot lid is open, so yeah, but you would see the 360 view. And also here we have the two views for the camera. Let's go back, and the AC. So you have it all the time here, so these shortcuts, and then you can also do this max blow. Press this to go to AC settings, then you have presets, and also adjust the air blower and where you want the air. So yeah, that's it in terms of the infotainment system. I can also show you the LED lights here, and we can also open the sunroof. There we go. Pull this to close it, and there's also the cover. You can close that one as well. Now it's time to check out the rear bench. And additional detail, few clocks here available as screensavers. Digital cockpit can be customized. You can have different views, and by pressing the view button, and then you can change that. And also you can change what you see. For example, here on your left you see various things are available, and also this can be configured as well, or here on your right, and those things can be configured on all views that you just saw. Checking out the rear bench, there we go. Very nice angle of opening. Also spot the ambient lights here, and some storage area. And as you can see here, lots of space. These are the beautiful new seats. You can see them now from behind. You can see through them. And here you have the storage area, two USB-C ports. You can also turn on the heated seats here. Look at this. Same goes for my seat, and you control the temperature on those. And this is actually touch sensitive. The air vents, and here in the middle the armrest with cup holders. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but I do still have some room left for my head. I'm 1.87 m, and there's also one cool detail, and actually convenient, so I can lean back even more, and as you can see, plenty of room left for my head. And then this is the best way to do a road trip. Thumb up from me for the space at the back. And there are also LEDs on both sides here. And also look at this, actually didn't notice that at first. So additional storage room. When it comes to powertrains, there's a lot to choose from: petrol, diesel, mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid. The plug-in hybrid has an electric range of around 100 kilometers, which is really impressive. Now tell me in the comments what would be your choice. This is the diesel version, so would you go for this one, or would you choose a different powertrain? Let's do another walk around now with the indicators turned on, and you see the dynamic indicators with the beautiful lighting signature. Let's check them out here on the mirror. And let's see the way that indicators look at the back. So these are the dynamic ones as well. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? Right guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe. There will be plenty of more to come. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like the new Tiguan? And see you on the next video. Bye bye.